Now we are going to see how to create a course in Moodle. So that is going to be the first step of using Moodle, because Moodle is a platform where we can offer online courses to our participants. So first we are going to see how courses can be created in Moodle. And since we are only in the beginning stage, I am just showing you how again we can log into the Moodle website. We have just created. You open any browser and type the name of the Moodle website which we have created just now, and when you give this, we will get a login screen like this, and there you log in as admin. So because we have only one account with this Moodle site, and please remember the password which we have already given while we created that website. So I am giving my user ID as admin and password which I gave, and I'm about to log into the website. And this is the Moodle website which we have newly created, and there is only one available course, that is Introduction to Moodle. That is a default course. Anybody can access this, and we are now going to create a new course which may be offered to our participants. And for that, you go to, because you are the administrator of this website now, so we are going for the site administration, and click on the site administration, and here you can see the courses. We are going to create new courses through this link, and the first link itself is manage courses and categories, and we are going for this managing courses and categories. And in Moodle, it is a good practice to organize our courses into different categories, so that managing the courses will be easier when we have more number of courses. So we can create categories like 2019 admission, 2018 admission, like this, or we can have categories like Bachelor of Computer Applications, Bachelor of Commerce, like that. So what should be the name and type of the category, we can decide, but it is always a good practice to have different categories of courses. So now I am going to show you how we can create a new category, and then we will be creating a new course in this category. And here I am going to create a new category. So this is the area where we create new category of courses. So I click new category, and when we move to this new category, then to which parent category it should belong, then there is only one parent category, and an administrator can also create parent category. This I will be demonstrating when we proceed further. And so this parent category is miscellaneous, and we need to give a category name. So I give a category name as sample courses. And this ID, category ID number we need to give, because internally the Moodle system is organizing, managing courses and categories and various activities given in this course using an ID number. For internal processing, we need to give a unique ID number for each category, and here I give a category ID number S1. And if you want to give a description for our category, here we can give that also. So here I give a category description like category for sample courses. So I give a description here. Then finally we create a category. Now we have successfully created a category of courses, and now we can create a new course. So this is creating a new category, and this side we can create a new course. So we move to the creation of new course, and for that I click here, and now I am in the window where we can create new course, and the course full name we have to type here. So here you can give a full name. I give my name as my sample Moodle. So my sample Moodle course, and also we need to give a short name. So I give a short name, my Moodle. So this is for display purpose. We give a short name, and here we decide to which category it should move. So here I select. So we have created a sample course category. So I selected that sample course category, and this visibility, you can create a course like this. You can create a course and you can hide it from your participants till a date. So only after that you can show this to your students, and if you want to hide it, you can hide. Otherwise, if you want to show this at the time of creation itself, you can show this. And here you can decide what should be the course starting date, and the date, month, and till the time you can give, and course end date also you can specify. And also, just like the category ID, here we need to give a course ID also, and using this course ID, unique course ID, Moodle will be internally managing our courses. So I give a course ID as M1. It is up to you, but only thing is you need to give a unique course ID for each course. And here we can give a course summary also, so that while browsing through the courses, your participants will be able to identify, they will be able to get a brief idea about your course through this description. So you decide what should be the description of the course. So we can give the course description. So I give, this is a Moodle Moodle course to introduce LMS, Learning Management System. This is a Moodle course to introduce LMS, so it can be little more descriptive also. Then if you want to have an image in the background of this course, you can select a file here, so that your course will be displayed with this background image. Then course format, in which format you want to define, you want to display this course to students. So basically, the topics format, we have topics format, then social format, weekly format, where you can divide the courses on a time frame, then a single activity format, your course will have only one activity, and topics format, exactly the way we define a course in a university syllabus, where we have a topic and the contents of coming under that topic, and we may have 4 or 5 topics like that, and contents of these all 5 topics will be displayed, and along with the topics you can add activities and resources. So that is a very common format for the courses. So I select that. Of course, you can try other formats also. It is up to you. And how many topics, how many sections you want in your course? 4 means you can add 4 topics and 4 contents and 4 categories of activities. And if you want to increase, suppose you feel that you want 5 sections for your course, you make it 5 or 6. It is again up to you. Then you can even hide not only the course, you can even hide certain sections from your users. So you can add contents, you can give exams, all those things into a section, and you can hide it, and you can make it available to the students only when you wish. And also the course layout, this also, in which way this should appear to your participants. So this default is show all sections in one page, or you can have one section in a page. These are all like the layout and minor issues of how it should be displayed. You can try different options. And the appearance, so where the number of announcements, and so in the left side we can have the announcements. If some assignments are due, all those announcements will be appearing, and how the appearance and how the announcement should come, all these things you can decide. And even if you keep it as the default values, no, there is no problem, and later when you are comfortable with Moodle you can change it and you can experiment. And files and upload means you can decide what should be the max when students are submitting their assignments, what should be the maximum size to submit, the upload size. And here also you can increase, decrease. And completion tracking means you can track whether the students are completing your activities. Groups, suppose you want to divide your students into groups, and if you want to give group activities, here we have provisions for this. And role renaming means the default Moodle website, we have the roles like managers, course creator, who created the course, a teacher who is not the course created but who has the privileges of a teacher, who can evaluate assignments and exams, who can give assignments. And non-editing teacher means he cannot give new resources and activities, but he can evaluate. So then a student is there, a guest user. Authenticated user means somebody with a password who logged into the system. And in this particular course, if you want to rename this, suppose your manager, if you want to rename his as administrator, you can rename here. And course creator, if you want to rename as a privileged teacher, that way you can rename your account holders here. And it will be applicable only for this course. So that way you experiment with the different options. Anyway, we have created a course, and once you say save and display, now we have created a course and we are moving into that course. Now we have created the course. Then if you want to browse the courses, if you go to home page, now you can see a new course is created, and this is my sample Moodle course, and this was created by me, and this introduction to Moodle was already there. And if you want to see this course, you can see it now. You see, this is the structure. This is the structure, and we had given 5 topics. All these 5 topics are there, but the topics are empty. Now we have to start working with this course. We need to add contents into these topics. We need to add resources into these topics. We need to give activities for the students. And in our subsequent lessons, we will be teaching you how to add contents, how to add an examination, how to give a quiz, how to give assignments to your students through this Moodle platform. Until then, bye and thank you.